Alright, so this is how the lights look. So if you would place it up, the different colors, you would get just kind of a reflection. Guys, welcome back. Today we are reviewing 6-in-1 RGB garden lights. So it is 12 volt low voltage, 16 colors, IP65 waterproof, remote control, and easy installation. Let's go ahead and show you what you get. Right away we see you get a nice manual. Looks like different sets here. So it looks like if you don't want to have all these together, you just simply thread this open like this, pop it out, and then you can just have one. So it's going to depend on how many you want set up and where you want it set up. But make sure when you connect them, you make this tight for the waterproof. But this is it. You know, this is the light. It's nice, small, compact. It looks like there with the bracket, you could actually mount it on a wall or somewhere if you want. You can also take the lens off here if there is an issue with the light or it ever needs replaced. You can take this off and you can access the wires. Make sure if you take this off, when you put it back on, make sure you align it up right and make sure it's tight against. So make sure it's tight up against so it stays waterproof. Okay, let's go ahead and pull out the rest here. See what else we get inside. Alright, we see that they provide you with stakes. So this is actually a big plus. So with the stakes, you would mount it with the bracket that we showed you like this. So if you wanted to mount it on a wall, you wouldn't use the stake. But if you want to use it with that, you just line up the hole in the bracket like that. And it looks like, yes, they do provide you with the pins as well. So let's quickly show you guys how that would work. What you would do, you would place this right up under in here, like that. Take this, thread it on. Just keep threading, keep turning until it's tight. And now you can mount this down in the ground like that. This is the controller and the power supply. Now I am a little disappointed the power supply is not as long as it should be. The cable, these cables are pretty long, but I was hoping this would be a little longer. So we will have to use an extension cord if we want to run it outside. So keep that in mind. You know, this is about the length you get. As you guys can see, it is a lot, but for most people, if you're running it outside, you need more cable than this. So just keep that in mind. You might have to use an extension cable. Let's go ahead and plug this in and show you guys what it looks like. So what you would do is find the end, which is right here. And now we plugged it in, and as you guys can see, all the lights are on. And it looks like they're auto changing color, or at least, yeah, they're auto changing color right from factory. There is the remote, which is right here. Let's go ahead and pull this out. So we can, let's see. Alright, so this is how the lights look. So if you would place it up, the different colors, you would get just kind of a reflection. And let's see if, let's control this over here. So yeah, there is a controller that's right here that you can control the lights manually, the different colors and different modes. So as you guys can see, the different colors, different modes. So it is really cool. We're going to set these up for Christmas outside. Yeah, they definitely have a lot of different modes, which is really nice. Like this one's good for Christmas. So you can actually turn it off with this remote, which is a good thing. Now let's try this remote, see if we can turn it off now. Okay, there we go. So we must have had interference before, because now this remote is working fine. So if you're outside or setting it up, this remote should work fine. And all the everything works now, all the different features, the colors and everything. So it was just an interference on our end, so that's a plus. Overall, these are really nice. I will do an updated video when we have it set up, but we haven't decorated yet. So once we decorate, I will set this up and do an updated review for you guys, so you see how they look outside. But overall, the colors are nice. Overall, I'm happy. They look nice.